I'm Dr. Tina Astecker. I'm from Upper Austria in the Klinikum Wels. The Qube phaco system is CROMA's cataract device developed together with RUK Germany. It facilitates anterior segment surgery with the option of diathermy and anterior vitrectomy. The one-hand cassette system is for single use, and the fact that the machine includes a state-of-the-art Venturi pump gives the possibility of infusion pressure control. The Qube system is equipped with a dual linear foot switch and an electrical infusion pole. The Qube phaco system is equipped with a dual linear foot switch with a central navigation pedal and 9 individually programmable bumpers, 4x2 at each corner point, and a backwash function on the kickback allow individual programming. The benefits include automated risk minimization, uninterrupted surgical procedures, and customized solutions for individual preferences. I programmed the additional vacuum mode, the so-called turbo aspiration, at my right horizontal linear way in order to extend the vacuum at any time of cataract surgery. First surgeries in Wels were performed with standard cassette systems with quite good results. However, in the next step, IPC cassette system was tested. The infusion pressure control is an alternative to the electrical infusion pole, but can also be combined with it. The advantage of the IPC system is that the irrigation is adapted much quicker. The IPC cassette allow to pressurize the BSS bottle. Thereby the fluid will be transported into the eye with a controlled air pressure, and so you're becoming independent from sealing aids in the OT. The nurses in the Klinikum Wels are very satisfied with the Qube phaco system and like to work with it. Pre-arrangement and post-processing can be performed very effectively and easily and allow quick changing times between the cataract surgery, last but not least due to the convenient click and press system. Because of the fact that the cassette system assembly groups are pre-connected, it's possible to create a sterile field by opening the cassette pouch. And furthermore, the tubes are coiled to allow a one-hand fitting to the Qube system. While the sterile nurse prepares and connects the phaco handpiece, the non-sterile nurse connects the IPC cassette to the pressured air supply on the machine's backside. Surgeries in Klinikum Wels are performed with 2.2 profiles for soft, medium and hard cataracts. I'm using 21 gauge phaco needles and coaxial irrigation aspiration handles. I use the Qube pulse mode with 40% limit. The base vacuum is preset at 180 mm mercury for phaco and at 120 for the irrigation aspiration step. For the chopping maneuver, I'm increasing the vacuum up to 380 mm mercury to maximize holdability, what appeals to my preference of horizontal phaco chop technique. Although the corneal endothelium is protected from the ultrasound energy via the use of viscoelastic devices, the goal must always be to decrease the total amount of phaco energy delivered into the eye during surgery. One possibility to aim at is the pulsed phaco mode. Both phaco modes, the linear pulsed and the cubic pulsed, increase the total amount of phaco energy accordingly to the foot switch movement. The difference is that in the linear mode, the phaco curve raises uniformly. In the cubic mode, it increases exponentially. Hence, the results are that the total amount of phaco energy delivered into the eye is reduced, the phaco needle cools down, and with the cubic mode, also novice ophthalmologists are on the safe side as the machine excuses and compensates excessive foot switch movements. Before using the cubic phaco mode, we anticipated a measurable reduction of the total amount of phaco energy delivered into the eye, with the pleasant side effect of cooling down the phaco needle. Our presented comparison was based on the cataract surgeries of soft and medium cataracts. 50% were performed with the linear mode and 50% with the cubic mode. In the linear mode, we had an average phaco on time of 34.4 seconds and an average effective on time of 4.0 seconds. In the cubic mode, we had an average phaco on time of 37.9 seconds. However, in the cubic mode, we had an average effective on time of only 2.1 seconds. Although the average phaco on time remained almost the same with regard to the two modes, we registered a significant reduction of the average effective on time of 2.1 seconds. It's remarkable that these results were achieved without any loss of efficiency. Recently, we created a cubic mode for hard cataracts with mainly slight adjustments of phaco tip and phaco limit approach. So the beauty and strength of the system is its simplicity and calculability, and with the cubic mode I achieved significant reduction of my phaco energy, and that's what I like about it.